always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's Friday today. The weekend is just around the corner, and I thought today, in keeping with the theme of desserts, I'm going to make some Keto Coconut Macaroons. Low carb, no sugar, just egg whites and some stevia and some desiccated coconut, and you've got yourself a delicious treat. So if you're interested to see how I make these very easy keto coconut macaroons, and please keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. For this recipe of coconut keto macaroons, you're going to need 3 cups of desiccated unsweetened coconut placed on a baking sheet and browned in the oven, and I'll tell you at what temperature and for how long in the description box below. 5 eggs separated, so we're only using the egg whites. You'll need organic stevia, vanilla, and some coconut flour and a pinch of salt. Okay, to the egg whites we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of the stevia and 1 teaspoon of the vanilla, and also a pinch of salt. And then I'm going to whisk by hand until it's light and frothy. Okay, I'm going to need a bigger bowl for this because I've got to add now the coconut to the egg whites. Add the coconut. Okay, so I'm going to add 2 of the coconut flour. Okay, now we're ready to make little macaroon balls and put them on the actual tray. Just get yourself some coconut spray, spray onto the same paper. We're just going to make like little quenelles. So there you have it, my keto low carb coconut macaroons. Smell delicious. They've just come out of the oven. I've let them sit for about, I don't know, 10 minutes. And now for the taste test. There's no carbohydrates, no sugar in them. So on that note, I hope you enjoyed watching me make these low carb keto coconut macaroon. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and click the notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I'm going to finish my coconut macaroon and then I'm heading out. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.